Okay, we are diving down the road, and this was so pretty I had to stop and videotape it. I don't know if the colors come through, but they're absolutely beautiful, light green and blue. It's very windy out. I gotta hang on to my hat. We were gonna go kayaking, but I think because it's so windy, we're gonna have to get that idea. But I just really wanted to get this. I'm gonna keep going. And it is smoky, looking north. You can't even see the mountains there. You can see the plants blowing. Anyway, this is Bear Lake on September 24th, and that's all I have to say before I get blown away. Hang on. Okay, bye for now.